Here we are testing the incoming air filtered by the properties air supply unit because we wanted to know the number of fine particles in the indoor air. The result shows that there are 2,500 particles per cubic meter of 0.3 micrometer size fine particles in the incoming air. Elixair duct filter is installed directly into the air supply unit. Its electric filtering mechanism removes fine particles such as pollen, air pollutants, road dust, VOCs, smells and mold toxins from the incoming air, while eliminating viruses and bacteria. The decontaminated air coming through the duct filter is completely free of fine particles. Interested?